In this video, I'll guide you through how to completely uninstall Avast from your Windows computer. So in order to completely uninstall Avast antivirus, you first need to head over to your settings menu just by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and then searching for settings and clicking on the settings app. From the left-hand side, select Apps, click on Installed Apps, and then you need to locate Avast Antivirus from this list of applications. You can either just scroll down the list or you can use this search feature at the top and just search for Avast. Once you've located Avast Free Antivirus, you're just going to select these three horizontal dots, click on Uninstall, and then hit Uninstall. So you'll get this pop-up on the screen. Just click on the Uninstall icon. Select the reason why you want to uninstall. You can just press Skip and Uninstall at the bottom. You'll get this pop-up. Just click on Yes to confirm, and that's going to go ahead and now uninstall Avast Antivirus from your PC. So just give that a few minutes to complete. And once that gets to 100%, you've now successfully removed Avast from your computer. You will need to restart your PC in order for all of these changes to take effect. But for now, I'm just going to select Restart Later. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.